With wings that span the skies and eyes that pierce the horizon, eagles are the undisputed monarchs of the air. But where do these powerful birds call home? Today, we're exploring the breathtaking habitats of eagles around the world. Eagles belong to the Accipitridae family, and there are over 60 species spread across nearly every continent. From snowy peaks to tropical forests, their homes are as diverse as their species. In North America, the bald eagle reigns supreme. Found near lakes, rivers, and coastal regions, these birds build massive nests in tall trees and feed primarily on fish. Across Europe and Asia, the golden eagle dominates mountainous terrain. Agile and powerful, they hunt mammals like rabbits and foxes, and prefer open landscapes with cliffs for nesting. In the dense rainforests of South America, the harpy eagle rules. With talons as large as a grizzly's claws, they prey on monkeys and sloths, nesting high in the canopy. Africa hosts species like the African fish eagle, often seen near lakes and rivers. In Australia, the wedge-tailed eagle thrives in arid zones and open woodlands, showcasing incredible adaptability. Despite their strength, many eagle species face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Conservation efforts are vital to protect these symbols of freedom and resilience. Eagles remind us of nature's grandeur and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Wherever they live, from icy mountains to lush jungles, they inspire awe. Let's keep their skies safe.